Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in kitchen gadgets and appliances. Today, we're diving into what could be the best panini toaster on the market, the Rae Dunn Panini maker. This isn't just any sandwich press. It's a versatile, efficient, and user-friendly appliance that's going to revolutionize your kitchen. With its sleek cream color and innovative features, it's built to make your paninis crispy and golden with minimal effort. The Rae Dunn Panini maker is equipped with a 750-watt power rating, ensuring quick and even heating. Whether you're making a simple grilled cheese or a gourmet panini, this press delivers on both performance and convenience. It opens a full 180 degrees, giving you the flexibility to cook a variety of foods, not just sandwiches. Double-sided heating ensures that both sides of your panini are cooked evenly, so you get that perfect crispness every time. One of the standout features is its cool touch handle, which allows you to handle the panini maker safely, even while it's in use. No more worrying about burning yourself while flipping or pressing your sandwiches. And cleanup is a breeze thanks to its non-stick cooking surface, which prevents food from sticking and makes wiping down the grill plates quick and easy. It also comes with handy indicator lights that tell you when the panini maker is preheated and ready for use. This means no more guesswork about when to start cooking. The compact design makes it perfect for any kitchen, and its modern aesthetic will fit seamlessly with any decor. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro in the kitchen, the Rae Dunn Panini maker provides an effortless cooking experience, offering delicious results every time. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use panini press that offers fast, even cooking, the Rae Dunn Panini maker is the ideal choice for your kitchen. It's simple, effective, and built to last. Don't miss out on this fantastic addition to your cooking arsenal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews from Product Critique.